Chapter 8: Disaster Management. Man-made disaster. Disasters that are experienced today are not totally natural. Most of the disasters that we face today, that is climatic change, global warming, desertification, soil erosion, fire, terrorist attacks, rail and road accidents, etc., are induced by human activities. These disasters are caused due to human negligence or deliberate activity of an individual or group of people. Human-made disasters contribute to loss of life and human suffering, damage to the economy of the country and its environment. Road accidents, rail accidents, air accidents, fire accidents, terrorist attacks. Road accidents. Road accidents are caused due to not following the traffic rules, speeding of vehicles, drunken driving, overtaking the vehicle, bad roads and loitering of stray animals. Safety tips. Don't drive the vehicle without proper license or before the age of 18. Use zebra crossings or look on either side before crossing the road. Be familiar with the road signals and follow them. Wear helmets while driving. Obey the traffic rules. Do not run on the road or put your body out while traveling in a bus or a vehicle. Do not make noise or talk on mobile phones while driving. Avoid drunken driving and speeding of vehicles. Rail accidents. The common causes of rail accidents are derailment of trains, lack of proper maintenance of tracks, terrorist activities, transportation of inflammable liquids like kerosene, petrol, and defects in the signaling system. Safety tips. Obey the signal while crossing the railway line. Don't try to get underneath the signal barriers to cross the railway line. Don't carry flammable materials. Don't try to get onto a moving train or lean outside. Don't smoke inside the train. Don't pull the chain unnecessarily. Don't jump from a moving train. Air accidents. Air accidents have also become common nowadays due to changing weather conditions, technical failure, fire and hijackings, bomb scare, etc. Safety tips. On boarding the aircraft, there are 4 things to remember. Pay attention to the flight crew safety demonstration. Read the safety briefing card kept in the seat pocket. Locate the nearest safety emergency exit and learn how to open it in case of emergency. Always keep the seat belt fastened when you are in your seat. Fire accidents. Fire is caused due to combustion of wood or paper or from inflammable liquids like petroleum, oil solvents or inflammable gases like cooking gas, methane, etc. Fires in industry or high-rise buildings are caused due to electrical short circuit. Safety tips. Develop an escape route from your house or school and ensure that everyone in the family knows the escape routes. Practice moving through these escape routes. Keep storage and working areas free from trash. Be careful while working in the kitchen. Always switch off the gas when not in use. Look out for old wiring and broken electrical fittings and get them repaired immediately. Use only one plug in a socket. Do not allow children to play with matchboxes and keep inflammable materials like kerosene, electrical appliances, hair dryers out of reach of children. Keep fire extinguishers at home, school, office and learn how to use them. In case you catch fire, never stand up, crawl on the ground and keep your face covered. Do not run, roll over ground to put off the fire. In case of an emergency, dial 101 for fire service. Terrorist attacks. Terrorism has become the worst form of disaster on a large scale. Unconventional means such as chemical, biological weapons, an attack is done without warning. The weapons are called weapons of mass destruction, WMO. In biological weapons, anthrax is used to frighten and terrorize people, which when inhaled kills large number of people. Safety tips. Don't panic. Remain calm. Follow the instructions given by police officials. Don't touch the objects lying on the road. Inform the nearest police station if you find any suspect.